Hello. Today I will explain you about a special embedded computer, which is SUNDAR TECHNO's solutions embedded computer, and this is that embedded computer. And if you see this embedded computer, this is having some specialities. So I'm going to explain you those specialities. And coming to the specialities, here is the here is this thing fanless PC. It's having heat sinks. You can see very large fins here. So there is virtually no fan in this PC, and these fins will dissipate the heat generated in the CPU, the processor. The processor used is i7 9th generation, low TDP version processor, so that less power will be generated, but you will have up to 4.3 gigahertz of clock speed and 12 megabyte of cache is there. And you can see this is a box PC. You can mount this box PC using these mounting clamps. Okay, if you don't want this mounting clamp, you can remove this mounting clamp. Okay, and this box PC having a speciality that this box PC is having three PCI slots, and one PCI Express 16 slot is there. It's a generation 4 slot, and you can put this data acquisition cards for industrial automation, or 1550 cards for this avionics, or for adding 429 cards for commercial aircrafts. So this is or any type of data acquisition cards you can put here, and input output card, high frequency card, encoder card, DIO card, AIO cards, everything you can put. And this is one of the special feature of this. You don't need a for your rack mount chassis to be used to have a 4 slots. 3 of this PCI, one is PCI Express. You can make all 4 PCI Express, or all 4 we can put it as PCI. We can have any permutation combinations possible. And this is having a 16 GB RAM. Actually it can be upgraded up to 64 GB, and this is having a 512 GB NVMe SSD, which is the fastest SSD as of now available. And this SSD can be upgraded up to 2 TB SSD. And this having this fanless embedded computer having 4 RS-232 ports, 4 RS-232 ports, and having 2 gigabyte LAN ports, and USB 3.1 4 ports, which is almost 10 Gbps, and having USB 2.04 ports, and having HDMI port, VGA port. And one of the unique feature of this is that if you need GPIO port, you can add the GPIO port here. We have not added as of now. So 16-bit GPIO port can be added, so that you can have use it as a small controller where you can assign either as an input or output this general purpose input outputs, which is 5 volt and 20 milliampere current. And another feature is audio in, audio out. And here is one special feature I want to show you. Suppose you want to show whether this is powered, you can keep it here, and then you can keep it here, and then this is a special screwless. You see, this is actually screwless. You can pull this and insert the cable here. It's a screwless. This is also screwless. The top one, so there is already a LED in this to show the power is there. And if you want remotely, you can put it here and take 2 cables far away, and you can have an indicator on the control panel or automation panel, 42 you for panel you can show it, or you can show another way. Another one is here. There is one more pin is there here. I am adding one more pin, and that one more pin is having. You can put two cables here, and when you can take 10 meter, 20 meter, any length cable. Once you short it, then power is on, PC is on. Once you again short it, PC will be shut off. So remotely, if you want to manage from a control panel or any remote area or control desk, this is the ideal solution. So we are giving this special solution. There are no screws in this, and along with this we are giving this power adapter. This is a 120 watts power adapter. You can, and this is a lockable power adapter. You see this, you can lock it here, and this is a constant 12 volt. You can screw it here, you can screw it here, and then this is screwed here from this side, and this is screwed to this box PC from here, and this is 120 watts power adapter. And I would like to tell you that you can have a small ASUS type of fanless graphic card you can keep inside with the 2 GB and all that, but I don't recommend you to keep more than 2 GB graphic card inside, because this adapter cannot take more than 120 watts power. So if you want a graphic card type of fanless embedded computer, where you can put NVIDIA graphic cards of a larger size, we have another models of fanless embedded computer. Also we have 4U rack mount PC with the 4U rack mount chassis made in India, and we have all the options available so that you can make it as a AI computer. And there is a SIM card option inside. There's a SIM card slot is there, SIM card module you can put inside, 4G module you can put inside, Bluetooth module you can put inside, and now we have put NVMe. There is one more option to put 2.5 inch SSD. So suppose you are thinking, no, I want a old classical type of SSD is there, and then here you can see another RS-232 ports are there, another two more RS-232 ports. Okay, and we have given here, this is the CPU part actually, and this is the card part where this PCI, PCI Express cards are there. This is divided completely into two. This is just for just a fancy fan. If you want, you can keep this fan, or if you don't want, if you are putting ASUS graphic cards, you put this fan. If you are putting a normal DIDO, AIO, or any automation cards, okay, you don't need this this thing. The hole will be there, but you can remove this fan, and then you can plug from the motherboard, and so it will be completely fanless. So these are some of the screws we are supplying to you, so that you can mount it here in the table, or you can mount it in the wall, you can mount it on a panel and all that time. And this is direct power to 230 volt. Directly you can power it, and that's all. In case you have any query, please let us know. Thank you.